Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're talking to you about our new CADDY series Hypershift clutch kit for the 2020 to 2026 General XP models. Retail price on this kit is $449.95. Comes with our new teal and gold primary spring, gold black secondary spring, full progressive cut on this helix, and it's available EBS and non-EBS. A set of our specific General XP weights with the weight adjustment kit. The weights do come preset, ready for you to install, so you don't have to worry about any of the tuning or anything there. 9 out of 10 times how we send them to you, everything is set. You don't have to worry about it, you're just going to go out and ride it. This is one of our CADDY series kits, and our CADDY series really focuses on being smooth and powerful and comfortable. All the things we want more out of these utility-based type machines. You know, we're not out there racing them like we do with our race cars, where we're just after to be the most aggressive and nasty setup there is. Again, we're focusing on being smooth, still maintaining power and comfortable with our CADDY setups. So on the smooth and comfortable side of things, we'll start with engagement. Stock engagement is like 18 to 1900. This setup's gonna be 1600 to 1700. Doesn't sound like a lot, but when you drive it, it's a wow. As soon as you touch your foot on the gas and move it the slightest little bit, you're gonna feel movement, you're gonna feel clutch engagement, and it's really smooth. And that just comes with the combination we're doing. Profile of the weights, the weight of the weight, where the weight's located, you know, the spring rates, all that's part of that recipe to get the machine to perform that way. It's quieter in the cab. If you're sitting there, you want to listen to the radio more, you want to talk to the person next to you. It's a quieter, more fun UTVing experience. And you'll see we have a chart here. It'll show you like at 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Going to show you what the machine does stock for speeds cruising at those RPMs, and I'll show you with our kit, and you'll see in some of those places there's a 4-mile-an-hour gain, and then you still will achieve and hit the speed limiter at 70 miles an hour. So again, $449.95, Polaris General XP 1000, Speedwerx CADDY Hypershift clutch kit, retail price of $449.95. You guys are really going to like this. The machines are a lot more fun and enjoyable to ride. In that more utility, little bit more sporty form. You guys are really going to like it. If you got any questions, give us a call, let us know.